Okay, this one's going to be fun. So we're going to have to square both sides. And don't forget, when we say square both sides, it's everything on one side is squared and everything on the other side is squared. So on number 19, we're going to have to do the Punnett square. And this is going to be 3x minus 8 under the radical plus 1. 3x minus 8 under the radical plus 1. So when you multiply the first two together, you're going to get 3x minus 8 without the radical, and then you're going to have 1 of the radical. You're going to have another radical in this square. 1 times 1 is 1. So, when we combine like terms, we're going to have 3x minus 8 plus 1. So, we'll have 3x minus 7 plus 2 of the radicals, which is 3x minus 8. And it's going to equal x plus 5, because when we squared this one, it got rid of the radical. So I'm trying to isolate the radicals, so I'm going to subtract 3x and add 7. Subtract 3x and add 7. So you end up with 2 square root of 3x minus 8. And that equals negative 2x plus 12. That looks like a 2, but that's a 7. Okay, so I'm going to come up here to finish that. So that's, my handwriting's bad. 2 square root of 3x minus 8 equals negative 2x plus 12. And you're going to divide both sides by 2, and you'll have the square root of 3x minus 8 equals negative x plus 6. So we still have to get that x out of the radical, so I'm going to square both sides again. And so that's going to be 3x minus 8 equals x squared minus 12x plus 36. Hold on. From here, I'm going to put everything on one side. So that's minus 3x plus 8. And you have x squared minus 15x plus 44. And we need to factor this if we can. And so we need to find the factors of 44. I'm going to do this right up here in this box. Factors of 44 that add up to be 15. And so I think that's going to be 4 and 11. And when you add, they're going to have the same sign. And since this is negative here, they're both going to be negative. Your lead coefficient is 1. When you found the factors, you've factored it. So it's x minus 4 times x minus 11. So your solutions are 4 and 11. So let's go back over here and see if they both work. If it's 4, 3 times 4 is 12, minus 8 is 4. So square root of 4 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. If you put 4 over here, 4 plus 5 is 9. The square root of that is 3. So 4 works. And so, oops, we've got to check 11. So I'm going to erase this. 3 times 11 is 33. The square root of 33 minus 8 is 25. That's 5 plus 1 is 6. The square root of 11 plus 5 is 16, which means that it's 4. I don't know if I'm doing that right. Hold on. Let me erase that and do it again because I think the numbers should be different. This is, on this side, it is definitely the square root of 16. 11 plus 5 is 16. On this side, and I'm going to go ahead and erase some more so I can write. There. The square root of 33 minus 8. 33 minus 8 is 25. Square root of 25 is 5. Plus 1 is 6. 6 does not equal 4, so 11 doesn't work. This is your answer.